Hello traders, this is Alex from EverTrader, and today we will be doing an account overview. First of all, for all of you who may be new here, EverTrader is a trading prop firm that offers up to $200,000 for talented traders such as yourselves who can pass the challenge and get funded. In addition to that, it has its own perk, which is the fact that after passing phase 1 you get your refundable fee back. I hope you're as excited as I am. Let's dive into the trade. This is phase 1. As you can see, our trader passed the challenge with flying colors. Instead of making 10%, he made 13.34%, which is more than enough. And an interesting fact here, the first one actually that I noticed, is that these numbers don't really match the 50k balance, and these numbers don't really match the number of trades he's taken, which is 67, but the win ratio and the graph point to one thing and one thing only, and that is the fact that we have a hedge trader on our hands. Let's check the trades now. Yes, as you can see, classic hedging strategy, same lot size. He only trades Dow Jones, and he only trades close to the same interval in terms of time, and I am pretty sure that this is the US market open. Let's check the most profitable trade to confirm this. Okay, so the most profitable trade is more than half of his account. This is the beauty of this strategy. Another thing that I want to point out regarding hedge trading, say it this way, is the fact that you can't really blow your account, mostly because it's obvious your one position goes up, the other goes down, so no account blowing. You still have these impressive digits here, as you can see, more than half of his account. So let's see this trade quickly and then we will move to phase 2. Okay, so he opened this trade on this candle. Maybe there was something here that pointed to him that this was a buy, and he pretty much nailed it. Ascending channel, which started to range. This is pretty much, I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure about this time zone, but I'm pretty sure that this is the closing of the US session, because Asian session is mostly marked by ranging price action. As you can see, what I'm showing you is the 1 minute graph, so this will be quite compressed if we want to see the end of the trade. Oh, and this is the end of the trade. This should be nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this was our trader's thought process here, because I can hear him right now. So we have this top, the market pushed to the upside with huge momentum, and then imagine this candle. So this candle closed here and we shot up with a huge bullish engulfing candle, which indicated huge bullish momentum. And I'm pretty sure he basically put his stop loss on both positions, because I'm pretty sure that for this win there is an equivalent sell, not really this substantial, but I think it should range in the 20,000s, which is weird to say again for a 50k account balance, but this is the beauty of hedge trading. So back to my thought process, this was a double top formed. We took this liquidity out and this candle looked absolutely beautiful, and I think he just put his stop loss below this candle. This candle became a shooting star and took out both his positions. Let's see his most loss making, and then we will move to phase 2. It is on the same date, as you can see. Let's see where he closed it. He closed it way before. Okay, nice job for that. As you can see, we didn't even see that push, so he closed it right here. And again, maybe his thought process was that the market, this is the US market open for sure, because this is the only time that Dow Jones does this. So he closed this position mostly because of this gap. Gaps mean huge momentum to the upside. So yeah, nice job. Good hedge trading action. Let's move to phase 2. Phase 2, things get spicy. You made 10% and you only have to make another 5% to get funded. Now the pressure starts to build up, and as you can see, our trader felt this pressure, or more likely adapted to this pressure, which is an awesome thing to do. As you can see, his numbers are not even close to the ones that he used or that he marked on the first phase. As you can see, he was way more tempered now. His win ratio is a bit higher as well, and his trade number has decreased from the challenge, which is awesome because this means that our trader knew how to adapt to the changing conditions. So this is an important factor for you guys here aspiring for a challenge. Keep this in mind. Quite impressive. And he added gold. This should be interesting. But again, Dow Jones, another thing, his lot size decreased. So mindful trader, again, still hedging. No issue with that. Okay, so let's go to the most winning trade. As you can see, of course, it's on Dow Jones and it's a short. Probably again opened on the brink of the US market commencement. Let's see, let's search for that gap in the market. And yes, here it is. The market range for a bit, quite substantial range here, more like trend and trend range. But then this trade turned into a slam dunk and he closed it with a nice profit. Again, not familiar with hedge trading. The only thing that I want to point out regarding phase 2 is the fact that he knew that you don't have to risk that much. You only have to make 5%. So just tone it down a bit, get it done, and enjoy the 50k account, Henry. Salamat, I think it said. I'm pretty sure you're watching this, so congratulations. So this was the first account overview. Stay tuned. Until next time.